are you ready for some howl-outs? I'm so excited to be sharing this week's howl-outs with you. This is Miss Miller. Graham and Mr. Gregory's class always has excitement and positive energy, and he loves to share his favorite books and studies and projects with friends. And Briggs has created an awesome fun project for his classmates to do. And in Miss Dawson's class, Garrett and Emmy and Aspen have been doing a great deal of work. And in Miss Winter's class, Julie and Jacob asked questions to help with the assignments and try to create an optional activity for mental systems. I has been super patient with the Chromebook, enjoying the hydro fashion film. And Claire and Allison have been setting up Google Meets with Miss Arnold so they can keep up with their assignments. Great job, ladies. And Madden created an awesome design for a mask that we can all wear. And it's great to have kids like Mitzi. They show up to time on meetings and they get all their work done. And also Matt, who shows up every day with a great attitude. And Miss Myers wants Rosemary to know how awesome she is showing up every day and getting her work done. And also a big shout out to Anthony and Stephen. Great job doing all of the things they need to do. And Jacob T doing an awesome job creating a character out of recycled materials. That sounds fantastic. And Gunnar in first grade's been learning how to shoot gears on his bike. And then he shows you safe by wearing the helmet. Yes, always wear a helmet. And Daisy, she adopted PE after Leanne shared it on fifth grade. And so long for this week. We hope you're our howl out next week. Keep working hard. And Miss Webb wants to know that Chloe and Braxton and Natan have been doing great work. They've been showing balance and making great grilled cheese sandwiches and never missing a meeting. And the howl-outs from Mr. Frucci, our first case. He got to be in his first live Zoom chat, and that was exciting. And Annika, she's been doing very well, asking questions and getting her assignments done. And this is a howl-out for Edwin. He's been joining office hours and getting lots of help and getting his activities done. He's also helping his brother Anthony. Way to go, Edwin. Also, Ashley, she just keeps checking in and working away. We're so proud of you, Ashley.